Separatory funnels are a necessary piece of equipment for many chemistry labs. These funnels are useful in separating two or more immiscible, non-mixing liquids. When using a separatory funnel, keep the following tips in mind. It is important to use a funnel that will hold twice the final volume of solution to be extracted and the extraction solvent. When adding the liquids, support the funnel with a ring stand and be sure that the stopcock is in a closed position. Add the solution to be extracted first, followed by the extracting solvent. Stopper the funnel and, while holding the stopper in place, gently invert and swirl the liquids. Do not shake the funnel as an undesirable emulsion may form. While the funnel is inverted, open the stopcock to release any built-up pressure. Close the stopcock and continue to swirl. Open the stopcock again to release pressure. Repeat these steps several times. When the liquids have been adequately mixed, place the funnel back in the ring stand and remove the stopper. Wait for the two liquids to separate. Open the stopcock to remove the bottom layer. Remember to close the stopcock before the top layer reaches the bottom of the funnel. Following these steps will make your extraction procedure a breeze. Please give us a call or send us an email if you have any questions.